Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Onsen Egg Promise quest in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This quest is only available during the Winter Frost season event. And I'm going to show you how you can complete this quest. First of all, you need to go to the Winter Utopia and talk to Naughty to trigger this quest. And since I've already taken the quest, there's no option right here to take the quest, and you can read the clue. It says find and take a photo of the gift egg Naughty hid at Onsen Mountain, and then we're going to find the egg. Basically, guys, the Onsen Egg Promise Heartopia egg spawns near Naughty, no wandering required. And for the primary location, it's located at the top of the fence on the Long Bridge platform, pathway from Naughty uphill. And I'm going to find it. Okay, usually it's just right here near Naughty. Okay, and this is the egg. And then we're going to take a photo. I'm going to click on the photo icon and oh, and the collection successful. And then I'm going to click on this icon. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how we can complete the Onsen Egg Promise quest in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.